In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated images with the amazing Morph effect in PowerPoint. Whether you're giving a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, you can really bring your slides to life using this fantastic feature. It makes your images appear as if they're transforming smoothly from one state to another, which is a very engaging way to grab attention. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're using a version that supports the Morph transition, such as Office 365 or PowerPoint 2019 and later. Once PowerPoint is opened, navigate to the slide where you want to add this effect. This could be any slide with images that could use a bit of animation magic. Next, click on the image you want to animate. Select it by left-clicking so it's highlighted with a border. Then, head over to the Animation tab in the top menu ribbon. Click on the Animation dropdown to see a list of available effects ranging from fades to floats and more. Choose the one that best fits your presentation style. Once you've selected your animation, go to the Transition tab. Here, you'll decide how you want your slide to transition in and out. Look for the Morph transition and click on it to apply this effect. Morph allows images to seamlessly transition and adjust in size and shape, which is especially useful when comparing data sets or illustrating changes over time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've added a Morph animation effect to your images in PowerPoint. This addition can keep your audience engaged and enliven your presentation. Be sure to experiment with various images and transitions to find your perfect style.